Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Model Unit 8. In this, we are going to discuss about atoms and molecules. After seeing this video, you come to know about, learn about the atoms and molecules, comprehend atomic mass and molecular mass, define gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass, perceive the meaning of Avogadro hypothesis, interpret the application of Avogadro hypothesis. First, come to an introduction of atoms and molecules. Chemistry deals with the composition, structure, properties and interaction of matter and is of much use of human being in daily life. These aspects can be best described and understood in terms of basic constituents of matter that are atoms and molecules. That is why chemistry is also called the science of atoms and molecules. We cannot see, weigh or perceive these entities. In this content, we are going to learn the possible method to count the number of atoms and molecules in a given mass of the matter and a quantitative relationship between the mass and the number of these particles. What is an atom? A smallest unit of element which consists of a dense central positively charged nucleus surrounded by negatively charged electrons is called an atom. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Since matter has mass, it must be due to its atoms. Individual atoms are very small and it is difficult to measure their masses. The mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit AMU. What is atomic mass unit? Atomic mass unit is 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom, an isotope of carbon which contains 6 proton and 6 neutron. Come to what is meant by relative atomic mass. Atomic mass of an atom is measured by relating an atom of another element. An arbitrary value of atomic mass was given to a standard element, and using this value, the relative mass of other elements was measured. The mass obtained by this way is called relative atomic mass. The stable isotope of carbon 12 with atomic mass 12 is used as a standard for measuring the relative atomic mass of an element. So, the standard substance used in the measurement of relative atomic mass is carbon 12 isotope. Now, we are going to define the relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass AR, relative atomic mass of an atom is the ratio between the average mass of its isotope to 1/12th part of the mass of carbon 12 atom. It is otherwise called standard atomic weight. Relative atomic mass AR equal to average mass of the isotope of the element divided by 1/12th of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Average atomic mass. Most of the naturally occurring elements exist as a mixture of isotopes, each of which has its own mass. Thus, it is essential to consider this isotopic mixture while calculating the atomic mass of the element. Definition. What is meant by average atomic mass? The average atomic mass of an element is the weight average of the mass of its naturally occurring isotope. Average atomic mass equal to mass of first isotope into percentage abundance of the first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage abundance of the second isotope. For instance, the natural abundance of carbon 12, 612 and carbon 613 are 98.9% and 1.10% respectively. So, average atomic mass of carbon equal to atomic mass 12 into percentage abundance 98.9 divided by 100 plus 13 atomic mass into percentage abundance 1.10 by 100. We'll give the answer 12.011 atomic mass unit. Molecule. So far we discussed the atom. Come to the next heading, molecule. A molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by strong chemical force of attraction, that is nothing but chemical bonds. Classification of molecules. Molecules are classified into element, homoatomic, compound, heteroatomic. Homoatomic means similar kind of atom, heteroatomic means atoms of different element. Monoatomic, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Diatomic, H2O2, N2Cl2, Br2, I2. Triatomic, O3. Polyatomic, S8, P4. Diatomic, compound, carbon monoxide. Triatomic, hydrogen cyanide, 1, 2, 3. Polyatomic, CH3, CO, CH2, NH2, acetamide. The number of atoms present in the molecule is called atomicity. Number of atoms present in 1 mole of any molecule is called atomicity. Atomicity 1 means number of atoms present 1. That is called monoatomic. If there are 2 atoms like this, 2 atoms, number of atoms present 2, diatomic. 3 atoms, number of atoms present 3, and triatomic. Greater than 3, polyatomic. Polyatomic. Like relative atomic mass, now we are going to discuss about the relative molecular mass, or MM. The relative molecular mass of a molecule is the ratio between the mass of one molecule of the substance to 1/12th mass of an atom of carbon-12. The relative molecular mass of any compound can be calculated by adding the relative atomic masses of its constituent element. For example, the relative molecular mass of glucose is, glucose molecular formula C6H12O6. It contains 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen. 6 in the atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 12 in the atomic mass of hydrogen 1.008 plus 6 in the atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16. 6 into 12, 72. 12 into 1.008, 12.096. 6 into 16 equal to 96. By adding all this, we will get 180.096 approximately equal to 180. When molecular mass expressed in gram, it is called gram molecular mass. Then difference between atoms and molecule. Atoms, the smallest particle of a matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. Molecule, the smallest particle of a matter that can exist freely. Atom does not exist in the free state except noble gases. Molecule exists in a free state. Except some of the noble gases, other atoms are highly reactive. Molecules are less reactive. Atom does not have a chemical bond. Atoms in a molecule are held together by a chemical bond. Come to mole concept. The term mole is obtained from Latin word which means a pile of stone. Chemists were curious to count the number of atoms in a given mass or volume of the substance. Hence, mole concept was introduced. Just as we denote 1 dozen for 12 items, 1 dozen means 12 roses, and 1 quire for 25 items, 1 quire for 1 quire note, 1 quire paper means 25 papers, and gross for 144 items, gross for 144 items. The idea of mole was used to count entities, that means molecule, atom, particle, at the microscopic level, that is atom, molecule, particle, electron, ion, etc. What is meant by a mole? Mole, unit MOL, is the amount of substance that contain as many elementary entities, atoms, molecules or other particle, as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. 12 gram means 0.012 kilogram. Avogadro number. The total number of entities, the total number of atoms, molecules, particles present in 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. This number is called Avogadro number. What is molar mass? Molar mass is defined as mass of 1 mole of this substance. The molar mass of a compound is equal to sum of the relative atomic mass of its constituent expressed in gram mole power minus 1. What is meant by molar volume? 1 mole of any gas occupy 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml at standard temperature and pressure. This volume is called as molar volume. Mole concept is applicable for atoms, molecules and ions. It relates the number of atoms with mass and volume. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen gram atom is equal to 1 gram. Number of hydrogen atom present is 1.023 into 10 power 23. Hydrogen occupy, 1 mole of hydrogen occupy 22.4 liter. 1 mole of oxygen means oxygen atomic weight 16, 2 into 16, 32 gram. 32 gram of oxygen containing 6.023 into 10 power 23 number of oxygen atom, and 1 mole of oxygen occupy 22.4 liter. 1 mole of sodium ion is 23 gram. 1 mole of sodium ion occupy 6.023 into 10 power 23. Ions not occupy contain this amount of sodium ion, and 1 mole of Na plus ion occupy 22.4 liter. 1 atom, 1 molecule, 1 ion. Now come to Avogadro hypothesis. Equal volumes of all gases under similar condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Mathematically represented as volume is directly proportional to N. V equal to a constant into N. Directly proportional sign is converted into equal sign by adding a constant. Thus, 1 liter, nothing but 1 decimeter cube of hydrogen contains the same number of molecules as in 1 liter of oxygen or in 1 liter of any other gases. Here we have helium, ammonia and oxygen. Helium, a single atom, that is indicated by a single dot here. NH3, 1 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. This thick black color is nitrogen and 3 white color are hydrogen. NH3, NH3, NH3 and goes on. O2 consists of 2 oxygen atoms. 1 mole of helium is 4 gram, then ammonia 15 gram, ammonia molecular formula NH3, nitrogen 14, 3 hydrogen 3, 14 plus 3 equal to 14 plus 3 equal to 17 gram, not 15 gram. 14 plus 3 equal to 17 gram. O2 32 gram. So equal volume of all the gases under the same condition of temperature and pressure containing equal number of molecules. Here when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Come to applications of Avogadro law. It explains Gay-Lussac's law. It helps in the determination of atomicity of gases. Atomicity of monoatomic element equal to molar mass or molecular mass by atomic mass. Molecular formula of gases can be derived using Avogadro law. It determines the relation between molecular mass and vapor density. Relative molecular mass equal to 2 into vapor density. It helps to determine gram molar volume of all gases. Formula, simple formula we are going to discuss. Number of moles equal to N equal to mass by molar mass, small m by capital M. Number of atoms per number of molecule, number of ion equal to number of moles divided by Avogadro number. Number of atom equal to number of moles divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Volume occupied by any gas equal to number of moles divided by 22.4 liter. All these are simple formula. And my dear students, in this video we discussed about atoms and molecules. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.